What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right. Now, today I want to talk to you guys about something that could be extremely beneficial for not only you, but other people in your family and friends around you as well, guys. Listen up. All right. Now, a lot of people always ask me, how do I get deletion so fast off of credit reports? All right. And the reason being is that you have to follow every single step to the T. Not only that, I don't use one dispute method. I know a lot of you guys hear about AI, a lot of you guys hear about Metro2, a lot of you guys hear about consumer law and factual disputing. All right. But what I do is I literally take every last one of those and I mix them all in together to get the highest results possible. When you're understanding factual disputing, this is what you're supposed to be understanding about it. All right. You have a bill or a late payment or a collection or something that has your address on it that is linking everything to you because you and your ID and your information is linked to this address, correct? Right. So from this address, data companies are linking you to the debt as you dispute. Okay, so when they're coming back saying verified or they're coming back saying different things like that, because there's only 3 responses that they can send you back. Verified, no response at all is a response. And also the other thing that they can do is they can just say, well, hey, we don't have enough information. How do we know it's really you? All right. Now, with knowing that information, then it's easy to set them up because they have to respond a certain way and within a timely manner. 35 days to be correct. So when you know these things, then you know that you can kind of box them in using different laws instead of getting that 20 to 40% response or deletion using one method. If you use all 4 or all 5 together, you get much quicker and much faster deletions because they understand, okay, this person knows exactly what they're talking about. All right. It's all in the language. It's all in the terminology. So with factual disputing, they're going to link you to the actual debt using your address and things like that. That's why I tell you guys, or if it's done for you, that's why your address will be removed or changed momentarily because it's going to increase the actual dispute process and allow you to get negative items off of your credit because they can't see exactly what's linked to you. So when you dispute it, that is now a factual dispute. Okay? It's not a factual dispute if you're disputing something that they can clearly see is linked to you. Nothing is factual about that because remember, when you're sending everything certified, return, receipt, mail, right? Which is how you should be sending everything because that's going to go to an actual person that needs to actually sign something to actually hold them liable. Okay? So, and this is why I charge what I charge because 3 rounds of letters max. Sending certified, return, receipt, mail is at least $120 per letter. Well, no, per mailing. So if I'm going to send out 3 disputes per dispute, if I'm going to send out 3 disputes, it's about $120 minimum, depending on the weight and the size of the package and what's on your credit. It's $120 minimum per round. Okay. So factual disputing is that aspect of it that you definitely need to know and you definitely need to apply. All right. You also have Metro2. Okay. Now, Metro2 is a format that things need to be on your credit. They can't just put things on your credit without having the proper format and the way it's supposed to be done. Think of that like taxes. All right. When you're doing your taxes, you can't just put whatever number or whatever letter in any box that you want to. It doesn't work that way. All right. So this aligns with factual disputing in a sense because you need to factually place these things on my profile or off of my profile exactly how I tell you to, because whose profile is it? Mine. So you cannot control that. All right. But you have to know how to put these in the letters and you have to know how to make it easy for them to see, okay, this person knows this, this person knows this, this person knows this. It doesn't need to be long. It doesn't need to be all over the place, but it does need to be a proper structure. Okay. And all of these are used in conjunction with each other. Now you also have consumer law. All right. Consumer law is going to take the actual law that's going to hold them liable to do whatever it is that you want them to do. Because remember, you are the actual person that can make changes. Nobody can make changes legally on your report. All right. It just cannot happen. It happens, but it cannot happen unless you let it happen. So consumer law is giving you the laws to hold them liable, to hold you correct and stand firm in your place, which is why they try to do things like not respond, because they know that you're going to get discouraged, or they'll do things like, send you something to say verified, because they don't know that you're going to get discouraged. All right. So if they know that you're going to get discouraged, then they're going to do whatever it is that they can to keep this $1 trillion industry rolling. And this is what we're trying to cut out. All right. So we want to help each other. Guys, please send this to anybody that you know. I'm not done with the video, but send this to anybody that you know that they need their credit clean. Or if you need your credit clean your credit, or contact someone who can definitely clean your credit, guys. I'm giving y'all this information because we about to hit the new year. About to be Christmas, about to be a whole bunch of new stuff coming, and I need you guys to have all this information down pat, because next things is going to be, we don't want it to be too far advanced. All right, so let's take these basics, get a good credit score, and then you can literally do what you want, guys. I wake up and do what the hell I want to do every single day. All right, and it's from nothing but credit. I'm not smarter than you at all. All right. I'm just into credit, and I love helping people. That literally can take you far, far, far. All right. So with consumer law, okay, that is giving you the laws to actually implement what you're trying to implement. Okay. You can easily Google these things to see like, hey, or you can use ChatGPT. Say, hey, what is the consumer law that protects me from late payments? Okay. Once you have that, you now have the correct factual disputing. All right. Removing names. Okay. Then you have the Metro2, the actual format that it needs to be in. Okay. And then you have the actual laws that's going to hold up everything that you're doing. And remember, you're sending everything certified, return, receipt, mail. All right. It should be 2 different forms that you should have to fill out before you even send it off. And then they weigh it, and then they send everything off. Okay. And then the last and the final thing is you need to go to 3 different places to make sure that they are governed, because you're disputing with them. All right. So even though they have the laws and everything else, you want to go to big bros to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. All right. One of those is the FTC. All right. One of those is the BBB. And as you know, another one of those is the CFPB. All right. With all 3 of these documents, all 3 of these, you can do them all online, submit it, put everything that you've used and everything that you're trying to get deleted in that additional comment section on each one as you're going through them. And be honest, check the boxes that you need to check. It's very self-explanatory. All right. If you need help, you know where to come, but it's very self-explanatory. All right. Those 3 places will hold them liable. Okay. Follow each and every step, and I guarantee you'll get the fastest deletions that you've ever had. Because 9 times out of 10, you don't even need to send 3 rounds. Once you do everything correctly. Now, if you miss out on something, then you probably are going to have to do this again. Or you got 80% of it deleted, and now 20% here. You have to do everything step by step, guys. It might be a little time consuming, but guess what? It's worth it, because going forward, you're going to be able to do and get anything that you want to get if you know how to add a business to it. All right. That's just the way it goes. Now, of course, I'm here if you need help for all of your credit needs, no matter if you want to build credit, build business, clean credit, CPs, anything like that. I'm here. You can also do it, which is what I like to do. I like to teach people to fish. So I have a way where I can send you certain documents and send you the format of how things should be done. Or you can also contact me and I'll send you my portal and I can do everything for you. All right. I know that you can do it, but you can also have surgery on the heart. All right. If you want to, you can do it. But 9 times out of 10, you will want to get a professional to do it. So if you are needing professional help, contact someone that you know. If not, then guys, do it yourself. It is not hard. It just takes time. If you don't like to do stuff like that, just do it with somebody that you like. Do it with somebody that you love. It'll be a lot easier. It's awesome seeing these results, guys. I want you to win. please, please, please watch this video. Send this video to everybody or anybody that you know. And in the comment section, man, if you need your credit clean, drop credit cleaning right below and send this video and share this video to everybody, man. Y'all have a great day. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you again with another day, man. Let's get it.